Let's ride the original It's a Small World in Anaheim, California. Come on, everybody! It's a Small World was created for the 1964 World's Fair. While the ride exists in 5 different Disney parks around the world, the original is located in Anaheim, California. The ride begins outdoors before moving into a massive show building. This slow-moving boat ride takes you around the world in only about 15 minutes. Disney artist Mary Blair designed the style of It's a Small World, and the ride includes almost 300 animatronic dolls. In 2009, Disneyland added some Disney characters to the ride. Here you can see Peter Pan, and here is Cinderella. You can spy Aladdin and Jasmine on Magic Carpet, and here is Pinocchio. According to Undercover Tourist, there are 30 characters. I have yet to find them all. Written by the Sherman Brothers, the Small World theme song is one of the most widely recognized songs in the world. It plays approximately 1,200 times a day in Disneyland alone. Originally, the ride was supposed to have national anthems of many different countries. This was far too chaotic, so they came up with a song that could be translated easily into multiple languages. Animatronic fails are always fun to see.
He's a sleepy hippo.
In Walt Disney World, the hippo notoriously winks at guests. Here, he is just sleepy today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that you are enjoying the content.